Hello, this video is for RPG Starter Kit and it will be about adding weapon to the game. Okay, so in previous video I prepared equipment slot, so right now we will start with about that weapon. What is important difference for the weapon is if that weapon will be actually present in that world. For example, if you can find it on the ground and it will be visible as a sword, for example. So it is important to know because then you have to prepare some game object that you will attach script weapon, or you can have it only as for example some icon that you will equip to your that you can find in the container, or you can buy it in the shop. In that case, you don't need to have that sword itself. Also, of course, important if you will attach, for example, some animated hero with 3D hands or some 3D hands for first-person controller. In that case, you will probably have that sword. But this is what you have to determine for your game. So I cannot decide what you have or not. But if you want to have that game in the world, you need game object. So I will show you that complicated part with game object. So I have prepared prefab with the sword. As you can see, I already add some collider. It's a trigger collider, so so player can go through, but it will can interact with it. I will a little bit increase. Uh, okay, I increase it. So now I will create that sword itself in RPG menu, window RPG weapon, add new weapon. Okay, so I will call it basics sword, just sword, and I will select some damage, 5, 10, attack speed, once per 3 seconds, is ammo, need ammo, no, weapon type. FBX location is only for Ubrin character, for Ubrin characters. So if you bought from asset store Ubrin characters, you can use it, but if not, leave it empty. Now it's important two things, and is this icon name and prefab name. It's uh, uh, general for weapon, armor, also item. So when you want to have, every item must have icon, because when you pick up that sword from container, it still must be represented with some icon. So I will look, I will save it for now. I will look, I should have some icon. Yes, here longsword icon. So I have it. Okay, so longsword icon and longsword prefab. I'm using the Unity free, so everything what I want to load dynamically during the game must be in the folder resources. This doesn't, it's not a restriction for pro users. If you have pro license, you don't need to this. Okay, so now I have to set up some um, for example, item level, value, what type of rarity. I put common. And what is important for weapon is here slot. Equipment slot ID, so I will put right hand. So save weapon. Okay, so I have, so now I have to put that script weapon. Scripts, weapon, ID 1. And now I can launch it. Before that, I will just look to the global settings, because I don't remember if I have automatic pickup or not. Okay, global settings. I don't remember where it is. Okay, so we will test it. It's not so not so easy to find everything in that. So okay, sword. Okay, so it wasn't automatic. So press E to take the sword. So when I will open it, it's a sword with some tooltip, and when I right click, sword is equipped. So as you can see, there is no change on the character because I have only general information and I support Ubrine characters system, so and I cannot use it in my demo because I don't have that license. So sword is equipped, and it's all for this video. So thanks for watching.